What is going on, guys? Gang, we're back for another video. And you know what, I'm gonna do a Playboi Carti type beat, but this time I'm gonna be using something different. Okay, I'm gonna be using Electrax. As you can see on the screen here, we got Tone 2 Electrax, man. I just got the bass, got a preset bank, and we're gonna have some fun. All right, we're gonna have some fun. Shout out to Bass Gutter, because I know this preset bank has a lot of dope sounds. But actually, let's start off, let's find a melody first. Alright y'all, so we found a melody. It sounded real nice. It's using some new sounds, so it should sound fresh. But yeah, that's what I got so far. We're gonna go ahead straight to the drums, man. Yeah, there we go. Got that 808 right there.
2,000 years later.
Alright, hi-hats and snares are ready. Wait, let me add a clap real quick. Let me just, you know what I'm saying. It's basic, you know, I'm gonna edit the hi-hats later. But yeah, I'm just gonna do the 808 pattern now. It's kind of lame. so 808 pattern is done. I added some perks, sorry. I went ham, like I can't. Now, let's go ahead and just fix up the hi-hats, man. They're kind of dry, and I have an idea how to spice them up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so the beat is completely done. I have everything. I just need to mix it and then arrange it, and then we'll be all done. And okay, you guys, so the beat's already done, and all I did was just arrange it a little bit, you know what I'm saying, do my thing. And yeah, here's what the beat sounds like, and I hope you guys enjoy. There is the Playboi Carti type beat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to turn on post notifications after you subscribe and all that stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.